What's up, everybody? Let me tell you, I've got a secret. Actually, 5 secrets. 5 hidden gems tucked away in the heart of Montana. You know Montana, right? Big sky country. Well, get ready to see the place that stole my heart. We're talking jaw-dropping scenery. Dinosaurs? Yes, dinosaurs. The clearest lakes you've ever seen. A ghost town stuck in time. And hold on, the last one, it's like something out of this world. You won't believe it. Trust me. Stay tuned. First up, Glacier National Park. Imagine this. You, me, and a million acres of pure, unadulterated wilderness. Mountains that kiss the sky, glaciers that sparkle like diamonds, and trails, man. Trails that disappear into forests older than time. This place is a hiker's paradise. I spent a week getting lost in the beauty of it all. Next, we're going way back in time. Back to when dinosaurs roamed the earth. The Museum of the Rockies is home to one of the largest collections of dinosaur fossils in the world. We're talking T-Rex, Triceratops, the whole prehistoric gang. They even have a working paleontology lab where you can watch scientists piecing together the past. It's like stepping into Jurassic Park, minus the danger of being eaten alive. Chapter 3. Flathead Lake. Dive into paradise. Ever dreamed of swimming in water? So clear you can see the bottom, even when it's crazy deep. Then Flathead Lake is calling your name. This massive lake is surrounded by towering pines and is perfect for, well, everything. Boating, fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding, or just soaking up the sun on the beach. It's the definition of chill. Chapter 4. Virginia City. A blast from the past. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're stepping back in time to Virginia City, a ghost town frozen in the 1860s gold rush. Walk down the wooden sidewalks, peek into the old saloons, and imagine the rough and tumble days of prospectors searching for their fortune. It's a total time warp, and you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Chapter 5. The Ringing Rocks. Nature's Symphony. Okay, remember that mind-blowing secret I promised? Get this. There's a place in Montana where the rocks ring like bells when you hit them. Seriously, the ringing rocks are a geological wonder. Scientists are still baffled by how it works, but who cares? Grab a hammer and play a tune. This place is pure magic. So, there you have it. 5 hidden gems that will make you fall in love with Montana. From breathtaking landscapes to dinosaur bones to a symphony of rocks. This state has it all. And the best part? It's just waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get out there. Montana's calling, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Peace out.